You are being monitored and recorded by my video camera.
Oh, let me get out of here, man. All the police on me, man. Let me get out of here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, man. We're about to go up here and see if these dealerships are really having a Black Friday sale, man. So we about to pull up here at this dealership, man. It's real windy, so hopefully the video won't be distorted with a bunch of wind. Here we go, man. We up here at the dealership. We're gonna see what's happening. I don't think they open yet. But we're gonna see if they really having some kind of little sale. Maybe they got it on the window. They go 300. Yeah, I like that color right there. It look like an all-wheel drive joint right there. They usually got their cars in the back, so y'all know I always come up to this dealership anyway. But we're gonna see if they having a little Black Friday, little Thanksgiving sale like they claim they are. Hopefully I don't set off no alarm. See what they got in the back here, man. Okay, what we got here? We got a GT right here. Don't look like they moved too many cars since the last time I was up here. Okay, we got Scat Pack right there. That jump fresh off the truck. Let me get out. Let me pull over, man, see what they got going on real quick. Let's see what they got. All right, got a 5.7 right here. Yes, sir. Got this black Scat. They don't have nothing on the windows talking about the Black Friday sale. This one 43. Alright, look like it got this one fresh off the truck. Let's see what this says. Vehicle shipping order. Not really saying too much. Yeah, this jump's fresh off the truck. You can see it got the little shipping guards on there everybody hate. Jump funky though. See what else they got. Okay, we got the 5.7 right here. 2019 Charger RT Brass Monkey. Ain't never heard of that. I guess must be just the wheels, the brass, since it got the Brass Monkey wheels on. Okay. This joint open too. See what this RT look like on the inside. 19. Oh, this is a base model joint. It got the sunroof though. Yeah, same old junk. My car more equipped than this one. That's the crazy thing. See, the stick on my car was 43, and I had, you know, I got all the options on mine. But I see this one come with the Hellcat spoiler, got the Brass Monkey wheels, got the sunroof. I guess you gotta put that on after the car's been checked in. Yeah, see they got the SRT package because they got the front fascia like the Scat Packs. I'm definitely want to get this front fascia on my car. I'm thinking about it anyway, but I kind of want to keep my car like it is, keep it original. Because it look different. Everybody's car starting to look like the Scat Packs now. So I think I might just leave mine like this. Sorry about the wind, y'all. It's like super windy out here. What's this right here? This is another RT Challenger. 41. And again, I do these videos, guys, just to keep everybody updated on what's on the lots, especially around this time when people are doing a lot of shopping. I know a lot of people don't like when I go to the dealership, but these videos tend to do well on my channel. Because again, my channel is also for information. This is an XXT all-wheel drive plus. That's what's up. Let's see what this all-wheel drive plus look like in the inside. Oh, this joint locked. This got the leather and everything. This joint nice. So yeah, so I do these videos for people who may be out of state. They may be looking for a certain scat pack, come across my video, see it on my channel, find the vehicle they're looking for. So I appreciate everybody who click on this video and show love to this type of video. And this joint tight right here. I like this. This the 5.7. Yeah, see they got the scat pack fronts on these. This one's 41. Yeah, it's open too. Yeah, see but they don't put I don't understand why they don't put leather seats in these cars, man. They do everything but put leather in them. I don't understand. And this car is $41,000. Amazing. Again, they got the Hellcat spoiler on there. This one got the brass monkey wheels also. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut out the parts where it's real windy. Oh, see, I like these wheels right here. They got the little shiny ones on here. Shiny black wheels. This is a V6. But that's all I see out here today, man. I don't see nothing else new. I don't see any Trackhawks or I don't even see the 5.7 Jeeps out here. Probably a 5.7 Jeep over there somewhere. You see they got a whole bunch of them. So again, man, I do these videos for the folks who may be looking for a certain particular scat pack or RT or SXT, whatever it may be. And these videos tend to do pretty well on the channel. So I'll continue to do them as long as people are willing to watch them. So let's check out this Challenger GT right here. See what this one definitely fresh off the truck. They just dropped this joint off. This one 37. Still got plastic all in this joint. See, they got the again, they got the 2020 Durangos. This one is nice right here, this white one. Got the little Hemi on the side now. I'm still waiting to do a review of one of these sooner or later. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the only, look like the only 2020 they got left. They had a couple of them last time I was out here. They must have sold them trains. Yeah, man, so I'm about to go eat me some turkey. Just wanted to come out here and see if they had anything new. I see they got a brand new Scat right here. So I don't see anything else out here worth looking at. It's pretty much the same cars I had out here last time I was here. And all these other cars out here look like used. Either vehicles being serviced or they're used. Or trade-ins, look like mostly trade-ins. So, again, man, happy Thanksgiving to everybody, man. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough, see what's out here at the lots right now since they having all these Black Friday sales going on. Because all you see on TV is car commercials. Try to get rid of all the 2019s and all the late model, all the older vehicles, getting ready for the 2020. So this is what we got out here in Bowie. So,
recorded by my video camera.
Oh, man, let me get out of here, man. Call the police on me, man. Let me get out of here, bro. Yo, let me get out of here, man. Ain't no damn alarm that went off. I'm in here. Let me get the heck out of here, bro. They talk about I'm being bothered. Let me get my ass out of here. I ain't trying to steal nothing. I'm just filming a video. Sorry about that, man.
Have a good holiday.
I appreciate it. All right, guys. So basically, the police officer was saying that now they got it where you can't really be on a lot, you know, when they're closed, and that's something new because I always go on that lot when they not, you know, when they're closed. So that's something new for me, but you know, he wasn't tripping. You know, he was actually a cool cop, man. He was just basically saying that they were trying to reach me over the intercom, just telling me that the lot was closed. But if this your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.